Hi, welcome back to Math with me, Marisol Lopez, your second grade math virtual content specialist. Think of me as your teacher's helper. In this video, we will be working with shapes, well, virtually at least. We will practice using a new program that is available to us called Didax Geoboard. I played around with it a little bit myself, and it is very student friendly. I'm sure you will enjoy using these virtual manipulatives. All right, let's get started. At the bottom of this screen, you will see the website where you will find the virtual geoboard on Didax. When you first open it up, it looks like a circular image, just like this one. You need to click on the top right-hand corner on the square with all of the little dots inside of it because we will be using the square geoboard, not the circular one. It looks like this. You will need to do this every single time you open up the virtual geoboard, since it always opens up to the circular one. Another thing that I want you to notice are the little ovals at the bottom in different colors. We have a red one, an orange one, a yellow one, a green one, and a blue one. These are virtual rubber bands. This is similar to the geoboards that you may have seen in person in your classroom. On the virtual geoboard, you can select the color of the rubber band you want to use. Let's see. I'm going to click on the link so that we can practice together. Now that I'm on the link, in order to use the rubber bands, you have to click on the color that you want to use. So I'm going to click on the yellow one. Whoops, I'm on the circular geoboard. Now I'm on the square one. I'm going to click on the yellow rubber band and let me see, I want to start from this peg over here. So I just clicked on it, dragged it to the peg. Once you let it go, the rubber band will be hanging from the peg that you left it on. You can then click on the other side of the rubber band to stretch it as far as you want it to go. If you want to create a shape like a triangle, you have to click on the middle of the rubber band to stretch it in the other direction. And I'm going to let it go on the peg over here. Voila, we have created a triangle. If you want to create a square, then you have to stretch the rubber band by clicking on the center of the stretched line like this. And then I'm going to move this part up here and let it go. If you made an error and you wish to undo it, you can click on this red arrow here and it will undo the last step that you did. If you want to undo several steps that you took, then you have to click the red backwards arrow, that same number of steps to undo those actions. Lastly, the arrow inside of the red circle will clear the whole geoboard. Pretty simple, right? Let's practice with one of the examples from today's lesson. Let's read the instructions together. How would you describe the shape without using its name? What are some of the characteristics of the shape pictured at the right? What other 5-sided shapes can you create with your Geoboard virtual manipulative tool? Click the image below to explore. So they want us to describe the shape seen here without calling it a pentagon. So we can say that it is a shape that has 5 sides. Then it asks us to create other 5-sided shapes using the virtual geoboard. If you click on this little geoboard, it will take you to the virtual geoboard to practice. Let's try it out. Here we are at the virtual geoboard, and once again, it's on the circular geoboard. So again, we have to click on the square, and this time I'm going to pick an orange rubber band. Let's see if I can make a shape with 5 sides that is not. Let's see if I can make a shape with 5 sides that is not a pentagon. Let's see if I can make a shape with 5 sides. So if I have 1, 2, 3 sides, now I have 4 sides. Do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides? Maybe I want to stretch this one out a bit. What do you think? Did you make a shape with 5 sides like mine? Awesome. Well done. You learned a lot about how to use the virtual geo boards on Didax. I am sure you will become more and more comfortable as you keep using them as well. Great work today. Until next time, bye bye.